What's up, guys? I've got a video for you on factoring polynomials using structure. It's a good video to watch after you've watched maybe the factor polynomials with like a greatest common factor or factoring monomials, or even like from Algebra 1, the conversation around structure, like difference of squares. The first problem I'm working out for you is 16x to the sixth minus 81. Because I see a minus sign between two things, I start to think of difference of squares. The trick is, how do you get to the things that are squared to use that structure of difference of squares? 81 is 9 squared. 16x to the sixth, we can use properties of exponents to rewrite that as 4 squared times x to the third squared, and bringing the squared out of it allows us to put 4x to the third as that quantity that is squared. That makes this a difference of squares problem, because now we know what is the u minus v times u plus v structure. 4x to the third minus 9, u minus v. 4x to the third plus 9, u plus v. Difference of square structure in action. My new one, or next question popping up here, 49m squared minus 126 m times n, and then is it plus 49n squared? We'll take a look. 81. That's right. So the key thing here is that we're looking for, one, can we rewrite the whole structure of 49m squared as something squared? And then 81 as well. I also looked at the 126 and thought that's a clever combination of 7 and 9 and 2. So I'm going to be using this idea around how we can break down the quantity u plus v or u minus v, that quantity squared. And then kind of using like the group and factor a times c method. So in the first one, I noticed that 7 times 9 times 2 is really just the same as 7 times 9 and another 7 times 9. So I really am taking this trinomial and breaking it down into 4 terms. 7m squared minus 7 times 9 times n, and then another one of those plus 9n, that quantity squared. And I'm factoring out things that they have in common. In the first grouping, 7m is common to both of those terms. In the second group of parentheses, negative 9n is common to both of those terms. So if I factor that out, both of them leave me with 7m minus 9n. And they together factor together to make 7m minus 9n. So there's really 2 of them. It's really squared. I only showed you 2 of these problems. You should probably, feel free to go back and rewatch the video. Give these problems a chance. Do some work on them on Khan Academy as well. Thanks for watching this video. Thanks for doing some math with me, and hopefully see you in the next video.